Hello student, today I will explain you your previous chapter in geography, resources, land and soil. Okay, you have already learned about the what is the land and which factor influence the land, like population pressure, its density and their culture and technical ability also determine the land utilization. Okay, today what we have to learn, the land use. What is the uses of land? Okay, different patterns of land use develop in different parts of the world. It means that the whole world land pattern of distribution is different. The total land area of any country may be put to different uses depending upon the relief. What is the relief? Relief means highest and lowest point of the any area. It is called relief. Okay, and relief any area, any country depends on the land use of any country, is totally depend on their relief features, relief in any country. Okay, depending on the quality of the land may be productive and involved in different economic activity, while a part of the land may be unproductive and may lies as wasteland or the barren land. It means that the land may be productive and involved in different activity, but somewhere the land may be unproductive and it is maybe wasteland or barren land. Barren land means that we cannot grow any types of crops in that land. It is called wasteland. Okay, the pattern of land utilization is termed as land use. What is the meaning of the land use? It is the pattern of land utilization. It is land use. Okay, and come to the pie chart. Here is pie chart that showing different uses of land. Okay, and first is forest. Here is forest. Okay, and what is the percentage of the forest in the pie chart? 22.75%. Okay, and next point is your second point, tree, crops and groves, and what is the percentage? 1.10%. Okay, non-agricultural use, and where is your non-agricultural use in pie chart? Here is number 3, and what is the percentage? 7.74%. Okay, next, pasture grazing land. It is totally used for the animals. Okay, depending on their foods, their land uses. Okay, 3.45%. Next point is barren and wasteland. It is useless land. We cannot grow any types of crops. This is called barren or and wasteland. 6.29%. Okay, and most important, cultivable wasteland, 4.41%. Fallow land, 10.85%. And last one, net sown area. It means land is uses for the agriculture. It is called net sown area, 43.41%. This pie chart show that in India, that what is the percentage of the land use. Okay. Land use in any area is determined by, first point is location and accessibility of area. Okay, it's totally depend on the location and accessibility of area. Next point is relief, natures of rocks and slope of the land. Okay, the types of soil, it is most important point is the types of soil is determine the land use. And the number 4 point is availability of water. It is also true that the availability of water, cultural and technical development and need. And the last point is infrastructure of the area. Understand? Come to the next point, land utilization in India. We have to know that the land utilization, especially in India, as compared to India, countries like Japan, 67% there is forest area, and Brazil, 66% forest, have much larger percentage of area under forest cover. Okay, but India has the largest percentage of its land under agricultural use, followed by France, UK and USA. It means that the Japan and Brazil have the more percentage of the forest area comparative to India, France, UK and USA. Okay, while only 3.45% of India land is under pastures for rearing livestock. Australia has 56% of the land under pasture. Pasture area rearing means that the animal rearing, animal food, that area grow for the animal. And most of the Australia has large percentage of this pasture, 56%. Because of the expansion of the agricultural and constructional activity, major threat means warning to the environment. It means that the agricultural, construction, infrastructure activity, that the our environment threat, that the construction and human activity to affect the environment. What is the factor that influence the land use? And the first one is land degradation. What is the meaning of degradation? Land degradation happens when the land is no longer suitable for agriculture. Okay. And the next factor influence the land, landslides. What is the landslide? A landslide is defined as the movement of a mass of rocks, debris means that the earth down a slope. And the next one is soil erosion. What is the soil erosion? Soil erosion is the displacement of the upper layer of the soil. Desertification. What is the meaning of the desertification? That the process of becoming a desert or of making an area of land into a desert. It means that the area gradually become a desert area. Okay, due to the extra usage of land. Okay, and today what is your homework, that you have to draw the pie chart, okay, in your second chapter in geography. Thank you.